Nature is a diverse and intricate web of life, where every organism plays a crucial role. One such organism that often goes unnoticed but holds immense significance is mold. I'm Mike McNatt with HealthyHome.Help, and on this video, we're going to talk about what mold is and why it exists. So, what exactly is mold? Well, mold is a microscopic multicellular organism that belongs to the fungal kingdom. It's closely related to mushrooms and yeasts, which are its larger and smaller relatives that you might be more familiar with. Mold plays a vital role in nature by decomposing dead cellulose-based organic materials, or in other words, dead plants, and turning them into soil, paving the way for new life to grow. And while mold does receive assistance from plant-eating animals, insects, birds, and other microorganisms, mold does more than its fair share in the heavy lifting. So without mold, we would be up to our eyebrows with dead leaves and grasses and other dead plant matter. Now, being a part of nature, mold exists virtually everywhere, in every structure, every building, and every home. It's in every wall cavity, on every piece of drywall, and every stick of lumber, and even in every breath we take. Outdoor air samples often measure mold spore counts of 2,000 to more than 10,000 spores per cubic meter in fresh outdoor air. But because it's so tiny, most mold around us goes unseen. When we see a mold colony, it's actually tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, or even millions of individual mold structures that have grown together to form the visible colony. When mold grows in common indoor areas, like around bathtubs or showers, we often refer to it as mildew. But let's clear up a common misconception. In these cases, mildew is just another name for mold. Now, not all molds are harmful. In fact, many are very beneficial to humans. The food and beverage industry use specific fungal species for brewing, baking, and making cured meats and cheeses. In the medical field, mold is a key ingredient in medications like penicillin and cortisone. However, in the indoor environment, we need to be cautious. While some molds are relatively harmless, certain species can pose serious health effects and risks if they're allowed to grow unchecked. So, why does mold pose a health risk in buildings or homes, but not so much as outdoors? Well, the answer lies in the types and quantities of mold that can grow in a building with water damage or moisture problems. Outdoors, Mother Nature controls mold growth with sunlight, heat, varying temperatures, and competition from other organisms. But in our human-made structures, we block out Mother Nature and control environmental conditions ourselves for convenience and comfort. And in doing so, we sometimes inadvertently create the perfect environment for harmful mold species to flourish. Understanding mold and its role in our environment is essential for maintaining healthy indoor environmental spaces. By staying informed and taking proactive measures, we can prevent harmful mold growth and ensure a safe and healthy home.